Hey guys, Jerome Leba here, Keller Williams at Red Green Properties. Wanted to show you one of our new upcoming listings here in Rio Rancho. So, wanted to share this property with you, just walk you through it real quick. Shot here from the front, really nice landscaping, all set up here. Nice 2-car garage. Take you through here. Different colors of gravel, little planters out here. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Show you some of this here. So we have some nice tile finishes, just all got repainted. Cabinets were updated and refinished with some new hardware. Appliances, Samsung. Those are new as well. Nice, light and bright. Take you through. First bedroom here. Got some porcelain slate tile there. That looks really nice. Set up as a little office. Really cool built-in shelving here. See that? Come through. Take you into the garage. That's fully finished. Has a water softener, water heater there, drip irrigation system to manage the backyard and the front. And then in here, remodeled bathroom, new paint, new finishes, got some crown molding kind of running out through here, very cool. Tile, new vanities. Appliances back here, some LGs, shelving and cabinets built in there. Master here. Got that nice tile running through. Show you this. Take you into the bathroom. New vanities. And what is cool here is you actually have an ADA accessible shower right there. So if you need that, that is an option there, which is nice. Nice large closet on this side. Very cool. So wanted to walk you through this. We'll take one more look out into the kitchen and the backyard. So I'll take you guys this way. Come through here. So we have some nice planters, trees, landscaping out here. Pergola, which will convey. You have a pitch roof on this side here. And this runs down this way. Nice little planters and stuff on this side. Really nice backyard back here. Little water feature. You got solar lights all around here. Looks really good. Awesome. Wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour.